Hey guys, we are back, and in the previous tutorial we were fetching all these to-dos, and this time around let's see how we can create a to-do. So maybe to create a to-do we first need an input tag, right? Input type should be text. For every input we know that we need two things, which is a value and an on change, right? So yeah. Now, for value and on change, maybe we will create a state. Let's call this as new to do and set new to do, right? And we'll do a use state of an empty string, right? Let's set the new to do as the value and on change. Yep. On change, that we'll get an event and then set new to do as event.target.value. Let's see. Okay, we have this here. We need to add some sort of a submit button. So let's put this under a form tag. Okay, yeah. Then yeah, let's do a on submit. We will call handle new to do. This is a new function here. Let's create the new function, handle new to do, and let's just console log our new to do. Okay, so essentially what I have done is I have created a form. I have added a on submit button, or sorry, on submit function here. Then I have created an input tag on it. So basically, whenever we add something here, that fires this new set new to do event, and that gets the value, and that value comes in the new to do state. It goes inside this input tag now, and whenever I click enter on this form, this on submit function should be called, which will be this. Now let's also add a placeholder here. Let's say add to do, maybe. Yeah, sounds good. I guess yeah, it works. So let's do a ASD and press enter. Okay, something happened. So on pressing enter, this event did console log, but it refreshed the whole page. So what we can do is we can add an event here, and just in order to not refresh the page, we can do event dot prevent default, right? And then let's try this ASD. Yeah, ASD is working. ASDDS, it is working. So on submit is working now. Now we have to figure out how to add this new to do on the DB when I'm doing on submit, right? So essentially we have to figure out, instead of this console log, we have to add a fetch statement here, right? So let's do that in the next video.